So we have it here where we are trying to generate images, and it is generating tons of images as we want. The problem is I want the images to be named. See how it's saying somewhere? Otherwise, from a list of 2000 images to create, it will be super difficult to have them images. Like, I mean, it's not super difficult. Like, it is a nuisance, right? It's a hassle. But it is possible. If you do it like all 2000 or all 1000, then you can put the both lists side by side and like map it and then rename it using a Node.js service, Node.js file utility, right? And that's cool. And we can go like 100 by 100, right? That's one thing we can definitely do. And that is the easy way out of this situation. But also, I want, let me show you something. So, by the way, these are some of the images that it generated. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Looks like a scene from the comics or something. This is another image that it generated. Some of the images, this is not 100% Flux, but like these are really good images, right? They're really good images. And I mean, especially this one, like this forest thing. I wonder whether I should use this, right? Basically, the idea is to have a list of 1,000 words in Japanese. And so this is forest. We can call it mori. And I want the letter, both mori printed here. The Japanese word, the hiragana, and the English word, right? And after a couple of tries, and also I don't want any eyes, right? Because I'm religiously forbidden to draw eyes. So I can't do that. Like this one is good, it's no eyes, but this one has eyes, so I can't use it. So delete that. Also, it can be a service for people like, hey, generate images without eyes for Muslim. That's great. So let's see how it did, right? So this is what happened, like person. It writes it perfectly. Before, in the stable diffusion ones, these would be jumbled and mumbled, right? But right now, it is perfect. And that's what we want, right? That's what we want. For example, this stream. This is done right. This is done right. Okay. But I don't think the model that generated this could have pictures like that. So let's go ahead and like, by the way, yeah, let's go ahead and open it. You have to do a control, I think. Yeah. So comics flux style vector illustration. Let's go with like this. Let's say, hey, actually I wanna have not that. I wanna have bat call comfy. Oh, is it not? Okay. I think I'll have to do it from here. Okay. CD projects. Another comfy. Oh, no. What I'm doing. It is from here. Bat call comfy. Yeah, -p, because otherwise the lines come up. So over here, we have some nice flat design. Yeah, let's do that. Actually, just say forest, because that's all it took for us to generate that. and let's check it out. Hopefully nothing, no problem happens. So 0%. This is flux model. So this was done using a stable diffusion model, not a flux model, right? Great picture, great. And this is probably like, this is the one I like most, right? However, this won't be able to, for example, roof, right? It's written here. I wonder if that is able to like stream. And I also want the kanji to be written here. And see, let's see if it can handle Japanese hiragana, right? Boom. it generated a photorealistic, I said vector illustration. And so let's say any flat vector, let's see what it does. Vector illustration, flat colors. No human, don't put humans in it. No eyes, NS, not suitable for work. Don't use this stuff. Nude, don't give any nude stuff. I wonder if it's gonna take that and generate like a nude image. it'll be super bad. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Let's see. So about the renaming, I don't have to rename it really. I could just generate 100 and from the list map it, rename it using a file utility, and then take out, delete those hundreds, keep doing it 10 times, 1,000 once are done. This is the fastest. The other one is let's see. Not as good, like definite, like this is another image it built. So for the word heavy, it did a heavy carb, which is good enough. For employee, it gave me this, which is another good stuff. This opens up so many opportunities. So now we can create our Twitter banners and LinkedIn banners using this, and we can even add it as a service. As just an app that does that for, let's say, generate 10 Twitter banners, or like all your banners, Twitter, LinkedIn, and generate 5 of image. I think if you do it using a server, that's gonna be like 2 cents each. So if you say, hey, give me $5 or $10 and get all these banners from us, that's an app idea on its own using this, right? Get YouTube thumbnails, right? In fact, let's do that. Just to taste. YouTube thumbnail. Right in the middle. What should I write? Practical AI. Host. Generate image using AI in your own PC, because that's what it's doing, right? So I think we'll have to like change this. So let's go with like 1500 and 500, because I think this is what like borks it as well, somewhat. This is like a Twitter. It's not taking it. 1500. $1,504. So I'm gonna take 500. Okay, I think it has a ratio matter. Twitter banner. Twitter banner, flat vector illustration, flat page right in the middle. Generate image using AI in your own PC. Let's do that. Right. Let's see how long does it take. While it's doing it, let's go ahead and let's go here. Check few of the things out. I was looking at building a voice assistant, right? That's something I'm gonna do next, because in my app I wanna add like translation. So I will say, hey, my name is Kais, and I want the app to return Orononawa Kais. My name is Kais, right? Or Washinonawa Kais. My name is Kais. I want that. I want it to return it. So ideally you can. Yeah. Also, I don't want like a robotic voice. I want like two voices. So that's something I need to do as well. So the plan is, after I do them in server, obviously I don't wanna. I'll have to host it somewhere. So either we'll host it somewhere or use like some other service. But I want to host it, basically. Yeah. This is done. It couldn't do it. So Twitter banner. So let's not say Twitter banner. Say vast space that looks like a sea. Flat colors, right in the image using AI. Yeah. So it didn't say, but the size is okay though. So I think you can't say like Twitter banner. It just made like bunch of like this bird pictures and called it Twitter banner. So yeah, I think it'll be great. But yeah, while it's doing it. So that's something. So I asked ChatGPT to like, so file name prefix. All right. What I gave it, okay. It adds two more lines to it. Is it done? In here. Custom image AI in your own PC. It almost did it, but it's space and it didn't do very well. So let's take out the vector illustration and put out a minimalist flux. See what comes up. Which one was it? I can't remember. Which one did I use? To use comfy UIs like to generate this picture. Nah, not that one. This one. Right. So let's check it out. It's saying like to add this to file, custom file name. Prompt 9, is it? So prompt 9. Let's check it out. Call comfy. So we have like custom file name. We don't want the prefix. we actually want the item name and nothing else. Let's So saying astronaut in a jungle in the PNG, comfy or astronaut in a jungle, that's what it's gonna do. Yeah, let's ask him, my file names are mostly, but you know what, let's have it here. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what comes up. Okay, by the way. Oh, look at that. But there's no picture. That's what I want. Dune-like images generated by the AI. That's what I want. Perfect Twitter image. Right? Perfect. Should I use it? But I think Canva already has like things like that. But anyway, let's see what it generates. By the way, let's get back here for a sec. And so items. Change inside the bracket. Okay. And I wanna go clean the word file word only. Yeah. Let's take out this 5, 6, these ones. I would love it if it was like there's no gap between that, but like obviously there's a lot of it and we programmers don't want to do that. And let's just see for a sec. Nah, let's just see. Okay, delete. I've done it before. Delete all empty lines. Delete empty lines. Empty lines in Beam. Beam delete blank lines. So, yeah, this doesn't work. Neither does this. But for example, if I do like this one, okay, if I do this one, v/dot/d, it is every single file, right? It is this. Look, let's try that. Nothing happened. Holy. Search for this. Holy. Now. I've never seen this. I haven't, like, this is definitely like, So they're basically using Regius, which I hate, but this worked. Do you know what? Let's keep it somewhere. Let's keep it somewhere, right? Like the note scene. Yeah, I was trying to see what I'm gonna call myself. Books to read, practical AI, Bundai. Where I wanna keep it? Let's do a new file. Actually, since we're here, whoa, what's this? Why am I so big? Become smaller. Become smaller. Become small, brother. Become small. Right. Since we're here, actually, let's keep it here for now. This is the app, the Japanese app for which we're doing it, right? And we have done quite a bit, but I do want to have like actually very large. I do want to have this, which is your capability of talking to the app. Streaks, that's normal. Animations, I have actually found a LoRa that like and a model that can generate pictures exactly like that, but we don't want Duolingo style pictures, right? Yeah. So here are gonna words generate 1,000 pixels. This is the step we're in right now, that we're generating 1,000 pictures, right? Along with the words. We have already the words. Actually, we don't really have the words, but yeah, that's another thing. Which word list should we use? But first, it was necessary to be able to generate it. These words can be generated nonetheless. Okay, let's get back to it. Yeah, I love it. Right? But why only this many? Like, it's too little. It's too little. C is actually, let's do it with a macro. Do you know what? Let's do it with a macro. Forget about all that. I hate it. I hate like procrastinating on something for too long. Let's record a macro. Record a macro. It's gonna do delete and then move. That's it. That's the macro. Now let's run the macro once. Let's run the macro 1,000 times. Done. See? Wasn't that hard? Let's run it 1,000 more times. Forget about like sometimes it's easy to do, like if you just do it. Okay, actually we can't do that, so let's get back to here. Get over here. All right, so let's make, so the last word is bright, so let's go down and add the missing bracket. What am I doing? add the missing bracket. That's it. All right, that's it. So see, it's just 2000 words, not that many. That's what we want. Yarn inside tag, come on, yarn inside tag, yarn inside, okay, it's done. Let's go, paste it here, right? White and violet, okay. So it says, picture of that, flat design style, vector color style, flat colors. Flat colors, no eyes, write the text. Inside the, in the picture, but not inside, not on top of the image. You know what? So, if we run it from here, what happens? We can run it from here. By the way, the terminal stopped, I think. But anyway. Now if we do, okay, another thing. We have to close, we have to have, we can't be doing this. What can we do? Yeah. Projects, file utility. Let's just, should we delete all these pictures? Like, let's just say first generation, right? Control all, new folder, first gen. So these are the first gen, and let's run it one more time. Node, call comfy. All right, let's see what happens. If I ever want to finish this app, I'll have to put in more hours, like Levels does, right? I'll have to put in way more work. But I think this is one of the majority of the bulk of the work is this, generating the words. And then this can easily go to other languages using the same methodology, which person, Yokozo, yeah, but it generated it with eyes and stuff. Why? Because I told you not to. I directly told you not to. Call comfy. No eyes. I told you no eyes. No eyes. I told you no eyes. It's impossible to like navigate this. By the way, this is another one I generated. I love this design. Look at it. It's beautiful. Entering a room. It is not generating the, it is not writing the words on top of it, right? So I want A, it's also not writing. Okay, let's go to it as it's working. Come on, NVM. Come on. Okay. My new Vim installation. It is writing it above something. Yeah, it is like my NVM. I need to like really. Why is this frozen? Okay, let's. My stuff is frozen. Jeez. Image. Micro screen capture. Item. Not display capture. Not that. That. Okay, that. Cool. So let's check out in here though. This is below. This is above something. How do I, okay, how do I have the Japanese word as well in here? How do I do that? I guess we can try writing NVM1 call comfy. Let's test it. Let's test it with a proper hiragana word, right? So let's say sakana, which means fish, but I want that. Okay, come on. Control R. What happened? Sakana. Yeah, I don't want the picture. And that is that. What? Sakana. Why, what? I hate it. So we can't. Let's change. You know what? I'm gonna write it somewhere else and then copy it down here because it's playing with me. Yeah, I'm gonna copy it and write it in a text file. Not here. Jump. Nice, right? Jumping. Yeah. So let's get back here. Close it. We don't need it. So let's see what it has. What is this? And it is not respecting the fact that I asked him to not put in like eyes. Stream. I wonder. Should I change the prompt? Right. By the way, let's test it. Yeah, but it did this one right. Mountain. You see that? Mountain. Beautiful. I think I can ask it to do fonts as well, like specific fonts. But this is good enough. Mountain, and then on top, write like the hiragana. So let's delete all this. How do you delete stuff in Linux? Like, what's the shortcut for it? I don't know, man. Okay, let's keep the mountain picture and let's call it again, see what happens. Right now I asked it to write the hiragana sakana on everyone, but then we'll have to like change the list a little bit. %, it is going there. Let's see. Okay. It generated the person without writing anything. Right? Without writing anything. Did I write the text in the picture? No faces or eyes. So it generated the second one. Do you know, like, in the first gen, it did write entering a room. You see that? But the second gen, it is not generating it. It is not generating the text on entering the room. Perhaps above something. Yeah, but it is not generating what we want it to generate, which is the term here in sakana. Right? So let's go here. Below. Nicely said. Below. Okay, it's below. So let's go ahead and add it all under second gen. I feel like a mad scientist. Okay. Let's go and go one more time. See what it generates. I wonder if I should use the flat design style, but the thing is, since it can already generate texts, this is really lucrative, and I don't want to like miss it. Right? I don't want to miss it. This is something. Let's talk about one thing while it generates something. All this, right? I don't know. Oh man. So Let's talk about something. I think this is cool. Like Mengto, he's the founder of design, like code and design, like together. So his angle is teach people, teach coders design and teach designers code. And he's using AI to make a. He is someone who, right, right. So Mengto is the founder of code and design, like I can't remember the design and code. So basically, he teaches designers how to code and coders how to design, right? Really good guy, and his products has an angle. I like it. But the thing is, what he's making here is he made an app using AI, like a video editor, some sort of video editor that he wants to build. And this is such a cool idea. This is such a cool thing. And he's saying like 11,000 lines of code, 608 commits, 3 months, 3 full weeks. It's only 3 full weeks, and he is able to like build something like this using AI. Imagine that, right? So again, I mean, that is just crazy. Like, he built all this using AI. So he's already someone who can code, but he's basically a designer, right? Designer who knows some code, and he's able to build this. So people who are thinking that AI is going to generate everything for you, it's not going to happen. But for people who has some knowledge about how to make apps, it's going to give them superpower. Like the way I'm making content, like I wasn't even sold on this, right? And I'm trying this, and I'm like, this is the future, man. There's no it couldn't write it properly, right? It's not being able to write the kanji properly. Not at all. It is, however, in this generation, it did this one right. Also, it is maintaining no face, which is good. But the Japanese word, it is not able to like do it right, right? So I should stop it. Stop it. And third gen. This is crazy, man. Right. So right. What else? So no Japanese yet. Right? No Japanese yet. We can still do it using let's check out a few other things, because I want to load like a basic. Let's see if it can. Yeah, from the picture of the forest, any LoRa checkpoint, vector illustration, any LoRa checkpoint, forest. I don't think it'll be able to generate it, because no, it will be, because it has both the LoRa and the checkpoint. So this is faster, way faster, because this is stable diffusion. Yeah, look at that. Now I wonder if it can write stuff on top of it. Forest with the word forest written on top of it. Yeah, let's queue it. See how it is not able to do that. So alright, so save API, workflow API, flat illustration. Right. So let's save it, and open it, saying which one, text editor. Yeah, you just use a text editor. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is actually make it all big. Right. So this thing will break because this is what we have. Like 6 will be, yeah. Like we need to have, yeah, the 6, that version. We need to copy it and put it. But let's try it without it. See how it fares, right? And you'll see that it'll break. Yeah, it breaks because should I need it bigger? Yeah, over here. So prompt 6. You know what? My keys are other way around, and I'm constantly missing it. Hold on. But anyway, prompt 6 is equal to, yeah, inputs type, whatever that is, and we'll just keep it as so the prompt for current item non-flux style and flux style. Also 31, prompt 6, 6, 7. Okay. Just copy it. Go back to where we were. This is why I love Vim or near Vim, so to speak. You don't have to use it though. A ton of people are making a lot of money without even using it. So What is this? Item. Yeah, just that. Is it prompt 9? That save image? Yeah. Prefix shouldn't be comfy UI. But yeah. Make it smaller. So we're using this style. So there will be no words written on top of it. Just because we can't get the Japanese kanji to print properly, it only can does English very well. I think that's like something that's gonna come in future. For now, if it does, we'll change it. But right now, we'll have the pictures anyway, and then from there, we're gonna get like the letters. There is a way to do it in using canvas in Node.js. Give them canvas, and each picture will have like some space on top and some space on bottom, and we'll put them there. That is the easiest way to do that, right? I've done it before, so let's see if it can. Oh, no. Does okay, file name. Why you can't have constant? Okay, we have a bracket. That shouldn't be there. Note booyaka is working. Okay. Do you see? Not this. That's my file utility gone. Yeah, okay. Whoa, it's fast. Hold on. Hold your horses. Let me delete all these pictures. Like, this is fast. Because we're using like, okay, it's also giving 2 pictures. It's giving like 2 pictures. It didn't look at person entering a room. Whoa, look at that. But it is giving like 2 pictures. Let's fix it. If I hum the music, do I get like copyright strike? Get stricken by copyright? Now it's too fast. Too fast to even like. Come on, why is it giving me 2 pictures, man? Person and comfy UI is giving me 2 pictures. I fixed it once somehow. Call comfy. So preview image. We don't need that node, to be honest. Vector illustration safe. Because it's fast, I actually want to see it happen. Clip text encode, prompt, text item, Yeah, this is the prompt. Realistic, yeah. We don't want that. We don't like note stuff and stuff. Custom frames, item replace. Images, file name prefix, custom file name. Inputs, 9. Inputs, file name prefix. Why is Comfy UI putting out 2 pictures? Comfy UI is putting out 2 sets of pictures. Combine. Smearing to Comfy UI addition. Ah, man. Image to image, we don't need that. There's a lot of stuff. Batch process images. Comfy is putting out 2 pictures. Yeah, I fixed it somehow. Can't remember how, but I did it once. You know what? Let him have it. Yeah. The first picture is always like this. Second picture, third, above something. It's really nice. Above, where? Shit, below. It's generating random images. Let me show it to you what this is about. Right? So where's that? Large women, mountain. Where's the mountain? Everything is looking like what's going on? Tree. So it just generated tree, and it should generate water. So let's see what the soil looks like. This looks like a meadow. Heavens. Looks like, I mean, let's look at the exit. Even the exit looks like everything, all of it's kind of like made for this kind of scenic flat design style stuff. So it is generating some month. Even month is like a scene. It's useless for my use case. 10,000 is also a scene. So it kind of defaults into a stream. It was okay. It gave us a stream. Trees obviously is able to generate water. It's able to generate like water, right? So you'll have to clean this up, then you can use it. Trees, you know what? Let's call it. Nah, man, you ain't having it. Clear it out. So far, okay, let's load a basic example. Workflows. So we're using this workflow. LoRaWAN, safe tensors, clip1, flux channel. Let's see it generate a picture. Yeah, it's gonna take a sweet time, as you can see. because it's a flux model, not like a stable diffusion model. I want to try the audio generation as well as like AI audio generation. I wonder if I can make videos with these pictures, if I give them these pictures and ask them to do a little bit of parallax, add 2 words on top of it, can it make those videos alongside the audio? That'll be like cool to have, because then it'll give me like 1,000. Yeah, see, it's beautiful. I love it. Let's save it. Save API. And we're going to call it astronaut. Astroflux. This is how, gentlemen, the weird names are born. Cute flat illustration, flux anime. I don't even know if this is the one, but so I'm gonna. Yeah, you know what? Can you not always use the same thing, man? Right? So let's put it here. Right? That. Undo. What's going on? Undo. Why it is not? Oh, it's not doing like Control V. Shift Control V. So anything that works in Mac with a control is like Shift Control. It's a Shift Control stuff in here. So what are you talking about? It's a Shift Control stuff. Node call comfy. This works. Works on first try. Oh shoot. Okay. Good thing is 4th gen. So we have 4 generations of stuff. I feel like I want to have a pen, like a digital pen, and I want to like mark in places so I can show you guys whatnot. But that's coming next. How long have we been streaming? We haven't done anything like proper. We haven't done anything proper yet. Do I have? Is there an app for getting all the 4 chats together? Like stream chats and everything together? It's a pain. Okay, let's see. Entering a room. Cool. Wait, what? What? Is it not this? Is it not like the work for API Astroflux? If we open it, astronaut in Mars, enemy style in the style of talk. It generated me this. How come I'm getting images that looks like this? Above something. What? It's crazy talk. What? Why? That's the question. Then we mean my Linux box is borked. For sure. Like sometimes it opens, sometimes it doesn't open at all. Okay. Yeah, so I'm expecting images like this, right? Like images like this. But I'm getting images like that, which I don't like. But as you can see, it is also it's giving me like one image, it's not giving me two images above something. Below. Hey. Why does it have a Japanese written on it? Oh, because yeah. You see what happened? It took out the entire like call comfy. If I stop it and then it's empty. So the okay. So we can have 2000 times run that. One thousand time run that, and that does it. That does it. Okay. And inside tag. What LoRa is this? So We're not gonna have changes like that. We're not gonna have like a workflow API, cute line. So that is that. Astro Linux, flat illustration. We've done it. Ain't that good? Workflow API enemy. Man, I'm getting tired of it. So we need to have. This is a Flux one, so it won't work properly. Move call comfy to comfy non-flux. Just copy comfy non-flux just to something else. I'm coming back in a sec. Wait. I'm back. So, copy non-flux as comfy flux. Yes. Okay, so won't have to like, sorry, nvim copy non-flux, copy flux, comfy flux. Okay, base prompt is empty, right? And okay, and we're gonna have comfy flux enemy astroflux. Actually, this wasn't very good one. This is okay. So I'm gonna copy that. We're gonna what? What's wrong? Oh, here. Copy this, go back here. Just one. Huh, no, not this. That copy like item. And then this. Jump to here. Jump back. Oh, okay. File and prefix. None. What was the prompt? Okay. Let's move to the first. Could it be this is why it was like having issues? My hands are getting frozen. The room is cold. Comfy flux, comfy non-flux. So this is what we were doing. What we want to add is, oh, it's frozen. It's frozen. It is frozen. Because I'm looking at JLPT, but it is frozen. Browser, start display capture, the JLPT. Yeah, captured that. So we were here, custom naming API, and it should. I'm definitely gonna try like cursor AI. Definitely gonna try that. Right. Is it prompt 31 that 6 9 31 or 9 6 Actually, I don't need this prompt. We only need this. Is it on 9? Yeah. Right. Let's go back in here. We don't want you. Post from call comfy won't be there. Comfy either it's comfy flux or comfy non-flux. So we want to do it here, which works. Cool. Oh no. File little output pics. Okay, let's see. So we're expecting images like this, right? However, this one says it loud in the style of talk, enemy style in the style of talk. That is not saying anything like that, because if we take that out, right, it's probably not going to generate a very good image. So it is not generating that. So let's stop it, especially here. compute. Man, you know what? I'm gonna tackle this. Which NVIM? Homecast local win NVIM. Let's get there. Let's go. Let's go there, because this is remove NVIM. Yeah, no more NVIM. Okay, and we're gonna install NVIM. Who's here? Yep. What we're gonna do now? What we're gonna do now? We're gonna install NVIM in Ubuntu. The snap has like API. Okay, install now. Now. Package Windows, Mac OS, Linux. The release page provides pre-built binaries for Linux systems, or shell config, export path, and that's it. Appy bench. Let's do this. 'Cause I'm tired of like moving to two pieces to just to get like basic stuff. NVIM done. Okay. Shouldn't be that big. chmod NVIM app image and then NVIM app image. Where am I? Am I in base? Okay. What is this? NVIM. Where am I? Oh. Where is this? Okay, NVIM app image. Okay. Why? Cannot access NVIM app image. No such files or directory. Didn't work. Now? Yep, I was inside it. NVIM, oh, come on. NVIM dot app image. Right. Most of my settings are here. Okay. Cool. So NVIM app image. What do we need to do? Expose, make directory opt NVIM, copy NVIM to okay. Where? Cannot create directory, permission denied. Sudo. Man. Okay. Sudo. Export path. Zish. Question is, yeah. What is that? Path, right? LSLA zhrc. That's what we wanna add, like this, that. v.zsrc, obviously that should work. Export conda initiate, conda path. Yeah, man, export this path too for me, please. Path obtain vim. We're just saying source zsrc. Come on. Why'd you have to do that? Okay, search done. Alright. So we had this anime style in the style of talk. This added to our thing. Let's do it. Let's not do it. File utility. You know who I have to thank for? I have to thank Prime, because I'm using NVim all the time. Like I was using like Vim mode in Atom, and then suddenly one day, yeah, you know what? Let me record it. I have to thank the Primogen for teaching me how to use NVim and Fly, right? And I was using NVim inside Atom before VS Code was cool, and it was okay, but I never took the leap. And then Primogen had like a 6 episode. Primogen had 6 episode playlist, which enabled me to go to drop at Atom and then go full time in NeoVim. So I have to thank Prime for it. Anyway, so let's get it started hot. Let's get it. Comfy flux. Now it's snappy. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. It is flying. This is what I'm talking about. This is how it feels. The 32 gigabyte RAM, like NVim just flies. It doesn't. I love it. Anyway, okay. Let's get it. Okay. In anime style, in the style of talk. Let's get it started hot. Let's get it started hit. Let's get it started hot. Comfy flux. This is what I'm talking about. The question is why? What is this? Why is sword on top of it? Sword Street or again? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you know what happened? Do you know what happened? All our clean filed were bad. Clean filed word only. This is what we want. Okay. Cleaned file word only. Man, this NeoVim being sluggish was killing me, man. Now we're like flying again. Right? We're flying again. We're like, we were cut off. Now we're flying. Like in Mac, this is the speed I normally work in. Right? And I was like, I couldn't do it before. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's see what it gives us now. Right. I need to get some water. Hydrate myself. I got this big mug, big jug like mug. Ah, alhamdulillah. That's great. What's happening? Let's see. This is what I'm talking. This is better. This is better. The style of talk. Let me make sure that it's written. That's another error we have, but we'll fix it. It says rip rape is required as a rip rape is not there. Telescope live rip rape. Why we don't have rip rape? Man, programmers are such OCDC people, you know. We're like, look at that! Oh my God! In the style of talk. So the difference between flux models and non-flux model, side by side, check it out. Difference between flux models and non-flux models, right? I'll show it to you. Flux models and non-flux models. Also, this entering room, this is flux model too, but I didn't use like a good LoRa. So see the difference between the three generations, right? See the difference. This one in the middle is saying in the style of talk. So that is a trigger word for it. And now it looks awesome and beautiful. All right, cool. Oh my God, look at that. That room is beautiful, beautifully done. The style of talk. I think I have to use some sort of window switcher, right? Because I hate mouse and all that. I hate mouse, but yeah. Below, wow. Above something. Nice. This is crazy talk. And I also have a name. I also have names in it, right? So we have achieved most of the stuff we wanted to achieve. Large. Let's see what it gives. Like large. Call. Out. Out. Do you know what? I want to have something else too. I'm getting greedy. Flux best. So far this is the best output. And CompuFlux, I wanna see I wanna see I wanna do the negative prompt. What am I doing? Okay. $31. No eyes. No face. No eyes. Just no eyes. NSFW. Do not use a female character when you can. Not because I'm sexist or anything. I just don't want it. It's religious reasons. I have 3 daughters and a wife. No eyes, NSFW, female, nude, none of that. None of that. Realistic. Don't make it realistic. Don't make it. Yeah. Have this one. Oh, I want something else too. Right. On the pick. In a corner. Let's get it started. Hot. Let's get it started. I'm gonna just take most of it, let it generate, and it's gonna generate most of the images for me. Now that it is named, I can directly connect it with the kanjis, and I'll take this and then add the, since it's Flux, let's see if it can at least get the English done right. Right? Yeah, person, and it says Pexan, right? It's okay. And it didn't listen to my no eyes command, but well, I tried, and I'll do something else with that, like probably suspended note. Oh no, yeah. So I'll let it run for a while, and then generate all those images, see what's what, and then probably add the kanji on top of it using Node.js Canvas API, right? And then then I have my images ready. Then it's time to do the audio and then the video. If I can get the video done using AI, like give them the image and probably the word and say, hey, make this a 1 second video with the audio. That'll be great. Give them the audio file, right? So the plan is to give the audio generator a list, just like I'm giving it a list and asking it to make images. What's happening? Why is it taking so time? What's happening? Why I don't have my other images? Envy top. Something went wrong. Oh, okay. It just means city projects, another comfy, conda activate, comfy new Python, main py. That generally does it. Yep. Comfy server, and then we're gonna go ahead, just to be sure, let's check out comfy flux. Let's check this out. And IRM let's go. Yeah, I'll just generate it. But I mean, this is enough, good enough. The rest of the stuff, some things needs to be done like by hand. We need to do it by hand, some things. So that is good enough. And then the next thing will be, I'll give like a audio system some list, and it'll generate like audio files for me. And then after that, I'll try to have like the audio. I'll give the picture and the audio, right, to another LLM, or like some sort of model, and try to generate video with it, right? That's like the main goal now. Yeah. So it couldn't find probably like well, it didn't understand what empty space means. Something, should I write it like on top and on bottom, things like that? on top and on bottom. On top and on bottom. Let's check it out, man. Entering a room. Again, beautiful image, but it didn't understand like on top and on bottom. I'm just being like OCD here. There's no reason to like stop it. It is actually giving me everything I want. I'll probably have to like. I'm just trying to like. On upper, on lower half, lower on bottom of the picture. Should I use like a one of those one? Like there's some images that has like bigger boards. I think they call it bigger boards. Bigger board. just what's this? It's nice. Board. People are like always. Let's see like Chanel. Let's check out some of the images. Flux FP16. Art Fusion Flux. What is this? Okay, board. What's this? This is like one of that. Yeah, it puts like pictures and all that. Stable diffusion 1.5. Rev animated. I already have it, by the way. The rev animated. It's nice. It's nice. What's this? Art Fusion. Colors are better. The details are sharper. I think the reason people are trying to generate images, Art Fusion Flux. Yeah, that's what I want. What's this? Art Fusion Flux. Steps. Checkpoint. It is a checkpoint. You don't need anything else? Do you wanna do like the check out like Comfy UI? Let's clear it. Yeah, it doesn't look at that workflow. Okay, I get it. Look at that workflow. Upscale images, it has that node. I don't need that. Half size, preview, K-sampler, load LoRa, flux side boop, load VAE, ASF tensors, load checkpoint. This one, Flux Art Fusion. Why do I mean, I wonder if what I'm trying to do, is it possible? It's just me being OCD. Like I'm trying to have an image and have both the Japanese meaning of it, the hiragana, and the English word on it. Put it together on the picture. This is once you have getting the picture is the hardest part of the whole deal, because once you have the picture, then you can just use a Node Canvas API and provide like a list of the meaning of the words and the Japanese hiragana for it in an array, and have it clustered, have it like put onto the picture using a Canvas API. Okay, you can do that, no problem. It's easy. it's doable. That's how most of the NFTs are made, using layers. So you can just do that and be done with it. So then pictures are done, and then the next task will be going to the audio, giving them the same list, have like the English and not the English, but like have the Japanese ones, audio files, like 1,000 audio files. Cool. Then you have 2 parts done, and then next thing will be, hey, have like a picture, provide like the area of pictures, 1,000 pictures and 1,000 audio files, and then tell them to make a video. That's it. This should be like super simple, right? Should be super simple. I don't know how to do that, but that is like, then we're ready. And then even if you put like 2 posts a day, right? Then 1,000 of it is like you have material for the whole year, right? And then you can also make like, oh, hey, here is 100 nouns, 100 verbs, and those videos are just automatic, and put it up. No pressure or anything. It's just done, right? And then inside but the OCD part inside me is going like, hey, why can't I put, now that Flux is capable of putting images, why can't I, right? Why can't I, beautiful. Why can't I just have like some, maybe like a setup like this, where there's 2 types of clips, and generate it at one go? This is crazy. I shouldn't do that, but it's just me, or it's just me being a programmer. Dynamic prompts, custom install. Okay, cool. Is it done, the first version? It's a person. Nice. Person. But who told you to give like a enemy girl with scars? So let's see 2, and then we'll restart this. Yeah, okay. That's good. 18-20%. All right. Entering a room. Nice. Entering a room. Yep. Okay. Do you know what? Let's restart. Restart. And it's restarting it. Okay. Let's restart. Hopefully everything goes okay. Yeah. We'll restart. Save image with metadata. You know what? Hell no. Image, save image. That's it. Oh, you're not. Also, I don't need to upscale it, to be honest. I don't need to upscale it, just do it. Let's see what's this. Flux sidebook. Do I have this? Was it this one or Art Fusion Flux? What's this? Checkpoint. How big is this? 15 gig. What does it have? This is like all that actress. What's her name? This is not even. Yeah. See the boards actually does have the pictures. Okay. If you hold up a board, then it's done right. And you know what? I I don't feel like downloading a 15 gigabyte file right now. Sketch, this is nice. Sketch Flux channel, this is a LoRa. We can unable to find workflow. Come on. Unable to find workflow. Okay, so the only pictures you've given us, that doesn't work. Nice. Well, open source. Speed. All these girly pictures. No point. Fluxflow live portrait generator. Maybe that can help me. Yeah. What's this? Flux pure merge. Flux test. This is what we want, right? Flux pure merge workflow. Okay. Small cute triangle holding a sign that says Flux pure merge. For some reason, like, this really works, right? Can you imagine, like, I'm the very model of a modern major. It's upside down, but holding a sign. Okay. Come on, why are you not closing it? Flats 2D style cutout. Why is my internet slow today? Anyway, I woolly style. See, we did a flux training contest. So yeah. You know what? I'm tired of this. Let's check out what we're doing in the first place. File Libby. Great, love it. Fix flux width. Look at that. Lot of flies or files. Lot of files. Classic Sierra online graphics. This is cool. I have that. Everything costs a 1 buzz. Oh, yeah, I think these are like buzz ones. Sure, grandma, let's get you this. Buzz is the frog. Free buzz. What is buzz? Pony. Curious flux. There's like real fingers. I like it. What is lacking in Pony Excel base? Pony is a very good model, by the way. Remove cow. S3 cow pooper good. What's this? This is quite a, oh, what's this? Mistake me. Nah. What's this? Picture of a group of penguins having a pool party in bathtub filled with colorful jello, photorealistic 4K. Oh, okay. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. This is nice. Flux 1.t developer. This is a LoRa. Very positive. I want something like overwhelmingly positive. Nah, it's not giving it very well. What is this? This is a flux. You can check it out. You can definitely check it out. Just say, hey, I don't want any of that. Whoa, what's this? Ink punk flux. It goes with Chanel version. Take a stab at training. Really nice though. I should try that, holding a sign that says yeah, while we're looking at it, I love seeing these like go haywire. Right, I love seeing these go haywire. Actually, let's put it here. And then we have it here. You can have it here. Yeah. 87%. Yeah, work that graphics card. Ink punk flux. I like it. See, I have everything apart from the ink punk. This one. Let's just download it. This is a LoRa. You put it into your LoRa folder. Ink pump flux. How big is this? It's not big at all. By the way, nice. Entering a room. It is using a wooden. So I think, so you need to figure out the prompt first and then put it on autopilot using an array and call it from a Node.js API or a Python API and call that like a list of stuff. Or maybe you can batch it. I don't know how to do that. Maybe, yeah. Because we normally do batching in software development, right? So async. So we gave him like 100 or 200 or 1,000. Like queue managers can handle that. Above something. Now, below. That's good enough, to be honest, to me. It just wrote talk. Okay, what does it say? Yeah. I like it. I think it can, if I Q prompt it, should be able to give us like something in here. Apparently, it should look like this one, which I like a lot. I don't like how this is being generated above something, below. Entering a room. It is. I think it got the doors large. And just say talk. Mountain. I like it. I like it. Mountain. Yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind having that. Want to generate? Want to generate like? Hold on a sec. Stream. Yeah, sorry, I had to catch that call. So what? Come on, man. Mountain stream. Wait, what happened? The whole Linux PC. It's like, yo, what? I think because I gave two instructions, one from the UI and one from yeah, I messed up. I messed up. It borked my PC. Okay, let me get that back online. Let me get that back online. Is it still working? Nah, it's borked. Oh, it's not borked. Linux after all. Linux after all. It's not borked. And you just say, you know what? I give up. But it didn't bork my PC. See how big is this? By the way, in the meantime, let's check out the images. Let's check out the images. How do you open it? Image viewer. Whoa. Loading one model. It's taking too much memory. Below, entering room, talk, mountain, person, stream. Nice. See, Homan. It got the thing wrong. I think I could get like, whoa, 92%, 97%, 93%, 93% memory, 97% VRAM gone. I think the file is too big, like the dev. Because models UNet 11 gigabyte file, so 11 gigabytes file. Okay, let's check it out. No, the image. Oh, come on, man! The whole image thing is gone. I like it. Kind of like it. Not. Then I need another one in here saying the meaning of it. Right? I think it's better if you don't use it and use something else. Like clean, comfy flux, and say in a wooden sign instead of that, on the bottom of the picture. Then it is taking its sweet time, man. It's 70% only. But you know what? I'm not going to use that one. I just want to see what the picture looks like. Writing Japanese hiragana on images using Flux LoRa. Stable Diffusion trained on images a year ago. Flux LoRa full course, uncensored, super photorealistic. Realism LoRa. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Stable diffusion model trained on images. Oh! Ink-punk Flux. Looks okay, to be honest, but I can't wait like 240 seconds. It's like 4 minutes to make this picture. But save workflow, ink flux, nice workflow. It's probably probably we can use it to generate one-off pictures, like 1 or 2 pictures, but not like an API thing. Right, let's check this out. What's it saying? Saying water, fire, wood, gold, soil. What? iPhone? God, Kami is this? Elon Musk. This is not what it's talking about. This is crazy. What's this? A stable diffusion model trained on images of Japanese kanji characters came up with fake kanji. Right. It's not real kanji. For like Linus Skykeeper Pikachu. Right. That is like, yeah, that is like water anyway. For water related kanji, such as swim. Yeah, oyogi, oyogu. And it's nagare, ryu. What does it say nagare? Nagare bush. Right? Something like, what's this? Gold is that, right? And that is wood. Source, let's get it. I don't want it to generate like stable diffusion. $10,000 kanji characters and their meaning. So do I have to like train one right now? Do I have to like train one right now? You had drawing and their meaning and write them in the following order. Kin. It's saying that stable diffusion, hallucinating results, intriguing forms, free books. There are so many people they know about so many things. It's crazy. The world is big, and when you compare yourself, you understand how insignificant and little we are, right? You can do so many things, yet the people who does way more. What is this? Shumai? Yeah, shumai. Steam made dumpling. What? Suzuri? Sometimes I feel like, what audacity do I have to like be a foreigner and like just because I watch anime and stuff, just like make an app about learning their language. It's audacious. Like it's sheer audacity. Or is it not? I don't know. But actually, stable. I don't think which flux can write kanji. Actually, I want hiragana. So can flux model write kanji? Stable diffusion write kanji? I don't think so. Japanese stable diffusion. English subset. It's just too much of a hassle. I think like they're trying to generate like Japanese images. Is that it? Salaryman. That's like the second level, which I don't want to like go into. Kanjis, what's this? Kanji, data cleaning, stable diffusion pipeline for generating meanings of unseen kanji. Whoa, that's nice. That'll be nice, like thing to have. Like so, if you have your phone, look at something. Create your first image. What's this? But is it writing like what? Why is my 1010 like reading from pictures? What is this remix? Yeah, that's not what I want. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna give up. Um, mhm. Oh, stable diffusion. Yeah, flux image quality is great. Let's just see if how far they've gone. Nah, I don't want to like get into control net really, but still, Yama, it's nice, nice. Nice. Fire. Anime ink wash styles. This is nice. I like it. I mean, Junito. You know what? I don't want any of this. Even this, I don't want. Ink flux. It takes too long. That's why I don't want it. Flux one, they're very positive. Graphics from engine for 3D Adventures game. This is for a game though. What? Yeah, I don't want it either. CVTI. Let's check this. Is this like a bird thing? Yeah. Yeah. Right. So projects. No. Projects, file utility, output pics. So let's go, I guess. I think I'm gonna end my stream today. I'm about to end it because I've done most of the things I wanted to do. Is generating me pictures, is generating words on top of it. I'm okay with the style. Right, I've tried all the other ones. Most of them didn't give me good results, apart from the flat one, which was okay, and I have all those pictures over here. I think, yeah, first gen pictures were okay. These pictures are okay, but day, heavens, kind of tree. I could reuse this anyway. What I'll do is like I'll generate using these models. Now you have seen the workflow. I'll generate these images, like 1,000 images. Then I'll put the kanji using the note thing, and then I'll have to get into audio, and then make the video using that, and then we're done. then we're done and we can go back to doing putting them inside, um, putting them in the social media as well as inside the app. Right. Will be nice. So let me show you why we're doing this, right? Can we come here? Still works. We need to come here actually. Right. Gundabadur. That's my terminal's name. I named it Gundabadur. Do you know what Gundabadur is? It is the place where Legolas's mother died, and it is the place. Actually, CD projects, Gunda server, CD server D, and then CD Bundai. Washinonawa Bundai. Bundai is the teacher of Samurai Champloo's, what's his name? The rough guy. So he didn't know how to write kanji and stuff, and everyone was laughing because Jin was like well-educated samurai, right? So, whoa, what? These guys are like totally okay. I know what's happening. I know what's happening. It loaded one model and it's trying to load another, and it can't. That's why it's 98% almost, and it's like, nah, leave me alone. I said, leave me alone. So the computer is like going crazy. Right? Computer is going crazy. In the meantime, let's talk about something else. Jamie, great guy, follow him, right? Lives in Japan, already speaks way better Japanese, and goes deep dive into React Native. Saad Najbi is another one. I talked about him as well. Right, Hamon, great guy, founder of Infinite Red, a bedrock, a pillar in our React Native community. Right, being Kansai. Levels IO, I love it. I love the controversy it is creating, levels and stuff. There's tons of developers that follow that kind of mindset, by the way. They just want to ship and do nothing else, right? And what? Farhan codes, I don't code. Stop me from having a GitHub activity like this. It took me 3 minutes to add this animation to inflow app. What is inflow? Flux model. Everyone's playing with flux model. Great stuff, man. Everyone's playing with flux. So are we. So are we. My Linux box is just done. it died because I loaded 2 models back to back. I'm not very good at SQL at all. First setup. This company is selling sunlight. We're back at it. Projects, another comfy UI, Conda. No, Conda. No. I already have a second. Conda activate. Comfy new. Python main py. Viaka, one more. File utility. Just open it. Output pics. Looks nice, this one. I don't know which one it used, but note comfy flux. Use another one to see the NV top. I also want to try. I don't like trying stuff for trying sake. Trying this, trying that, because you can try like for all your life and not achieve anything. But that actually gives you like a lot of different perspective about how things are being run at the moment. Okay. But yeah, man, I think it's enough. We've been streaming for a while now. All right. Let's check out the first image and then we're gonna go. Memory is 87%. Same image. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fingers are nice. Cool. Yeah, so it's gonna generate all 1,000 pictures and we'll come back if you want at that point. So this is it for now, guys. Catch you guys later. Next time we'll do audio.